In this video I'm going to show you how to create some ancient Romans bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the program. I click Create New Bingo Card Project and I have a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. I can choose a blank one, enter my own words, alphabet, numbers. I can choose English, geography, history, events, which includes birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers, holidays like Christmas, Halloween and so forth. Or I'll choose history here and I will look down the page and there's ancient Rome. I will highlight that item. I either double click on it or click on it and then click OK, and there's my initial Roman bingo card with a list of words relating to the Roman Republic and the Roman Empire. I can also add additional items to the word list. So for example, I'll add gladius, which is the name of the Roman sword. You'll notice this word list is in alphabetical order, apart from the items that I'm adding, which will be at the bottom in the word list they're added. If I want to resort it in alphabetical order, I would simply use the sort option here. There are options for customizing that word list in lots of different ways, but we'll say that. I can also delete items I don't want. So for example, if I decide I don't want Nero, I can highlight Nero and click delete, and I can customize this word list as much as I need to. I can also customize the size and appearance of the bingo card. For example, I can make a smaller 3x3 bingo card, 4x4, 5x5. I can also make an even larger one, like a 6x6, although I'd need to enter enough items to fill out those spaces. So we'll stick to 5x5 for now. I can change the heading of the bingo card, whether I want one or not, by simply unchecking that option, and I can change the text of it. So let's make the heading Roman, for example. I can choose whether or not to have the free space in the middle of the square, bingo card in the middle square, and I can choose what the free space says. Customize the fonts and colors as well. We'll do some colors. We'll just change the heading color perhaps to light blue, and we'll make the squares maybe yellow, and the free space we'll make it pink just to make it show. I could change the line colors as well. We'll make them dark red. So it's probably going to be quite a garish colour combination, but it shows that you can customise the colours. And say I'm happy with that, I don't want to change the fonts, I'm happy with everything, I'm now ready to print. I look at the print options. Options for controlling printing are on the right hand side here. Print call list will basically give me an extra sheet with this list of words in random order. It's very useful as a bingo caller if you need a piece of paper to refer to, particularly in a teaching situation. If you don't want it, you simply turn it off, but I'll leave it on in the demonstration so you can see what the call list looks like. Choose how many bingo cards to print per page. If I print more bingo cards per page, each individual bingo card will be smaller, but potentially I can save paper if I'm printing a lot of them by printing several per page. I might have to cut the paper up though if I want to give one bingo card to each player. So there's pluses and minuses to printing several per page, but I'll stick to one for the demonstration. And how many bingo cards do I print? Again, I can put in whatever number I feel appropriate. I can put in 1, I can put in 10, I can put in 100, I can put in 1,000, I can actually put in up to 9,999. For my demonstration, I will put in 50. And I will now do print, or in this case I'm going to do print preview so you can see on screen what the printout would look like. The first page is a call list, a list of words in random order. If I do next page, you'll see my first bingo card. Again, the words are randomly arranged around the bingo card. If I do next, you'll see the second bingo card is different, and the next and the third one is different, and so on for all 50 bingo cards. So it's very easy to produce a list of customized bingo cards with quite minimal effort. I'll close the print preview, go back to the main screen, and I'll just show you one more feature in the demonstration before I stop the video. If I go here and do call game, there's another option alternative to the call list for the bingo caller where the software will pick an item out at random from your word list and give you a list of previously chosen items on the left hand side. So the first item is Caligula. When I click next, I get my second item, which is Trajan, and it appears here with the first item at the top and the second item underneath, and then so on, Boudica, Rhodes, and so forth. Eventually a scroll bar will appear on the left hand side. So the most recent item is always first on the left hand side. And that's basically it for my video. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out, see how you like it. Works on all recent versions of Windows. The free trial version includes hundreds of ready-to-use templates. And if you do like the program, you can register and upgrade to the full version of the program, which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more besides. So thank you very much. Go to bingocardprinter.com, download the free trial version, try it out, and hopefully you will like the software.